Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today, I am unboxing the absolutely adorable Shimmerz Paints color kits for the month of April. Now, if you're not already a Kitz subscriber, be sure to add my name, Melissa Minor, when you subscribe to receive a free paint. And any order you place, you can add my name to also receive a free paint. I always appreciate those who shop my links and add my name to their orders. All right, so I'm showing you, we have the paints here, and look at this. This month we get a title from Colorcast Design stating One Spring Day. Now these sequins, they are an additional purchase. You can add them to the color kits. It's the bonus bundle. You get the sequins and then also the Sage It Isn't So Creameez paint. I love the enamel flare dots that are included in the kit, so those are super cute. This month we have a giant pack of ephemera. All of the color kits are packed with ephemera, but this month I think the ephemera is so cute. It's perfect for all your spring and Easter layouts. We've got several different colors and styles of Easter eggs. We've got quite a few titles this month too. We've got some that say, let's see here, Hello Sunshine. We've got Some Bunny Business, Spring, Be Happy. We've got flowers. We got these that look kind of like washi tape. Cute little adorable critters. So we've got like a goose. There's a cow. Some more florals. This says Egg Hunt. That's super cute. We've got some hearts. Got the title word Easter and then some bunnies. Here's some little tiny carrots and then some leaves. Always need more leaves. And then a cute little duck or a chick. I guess that was a chick. A bow. Ooh, this matches that. So you can say Happy Easter. There's Happy Spring. A little worm. I'm just going to continue flipping through all of these. There's a cute little bunny. So many adorable icons that you can add to your scrapbook layouts. You can add these to art journal spreads. You can add these to cards. I mean, there's so many things that you can do. Ooh, I like that little date banner and then some florals and then a couple more leaves. So super, super cute. Lots and lots of ephemera. Every month, we also receive a coloring sheet that is included in the color kit. So you can paint these with your paints and then fussy cut them out with your scissors and then add them to your layouts. I'm going to move all of this to the side. I think I'll leave the paints there. But I want to go ahead and show you all the beautiful pattern papers. So the Shimmerz Paints papers have like a shiny coating on one side of them. So we've got some stripes and then a black and white butterfly. Here we've got a green and a light green stripe and then a black and white floral paper. So you could paint those flowers or paint those butterflies. Ooh, this is kind of unique. These are like little journaling spots. You could fussy cut these apart. But oh my goodness, how could you cut them apart? Look at the back. I love the back of this. It's like a yellow wood grain. Then we've got this. It looks kind of like a weaved basket. Then some leafy bits here. A pink striped or a checked pattern, but look at these gorgeous florals on the back. I like these like film strip banner pieces. You could do these horizontal or you could do them vertical. You could fussy cut them out. Here's some pink on the back. We've got some polka dots. Again, you could do horizontal or vertical. Ooh, and then this really cool black and white pattern on the back. Some daisies with a green background. And then I like this, just like a quadrant here with the pink and the orange. We've got some more florals. That's really pretty with that orangey background. And then this pretty pattern on the back. So lots of gorgeous papers this month. Now let's take a look at all the paints that are included in your color kits. So you can purchase things separately. You can get just the paints. You can just get the paper kit. So check out the website for more information. I will leave all of that linked down below in the description box, so it will take you there easily. What I like to do is I take some mixed media cardstock. So this is cardstock that is meant to hold mixed media, and I cut them into 2x2 squares, and then I hole punch them. I place all the names on them so I can add these to my swatch rings. So then what I do is I have different colors and I have a ring for each color. So when I'm looking for a paint color to match something, then I can go back and easily find it. Now with the color kits, these paints just match perfectly to all of these papers, but you can use your paints for any layout or any card that you do. And I love doing that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. The first one here, this is Shimmerz. So it's a shimmer, so it's super shiny and sparkly, and this is called Marigold. And this is a beautiful orange. I really like this color. It almost has like a little hint of peach in it. Super pretty. And I don't know why I thought I would use this water brush at first. This is going to be too hard to clean, I think. So I'm going to switch to just a regular paintbrush so that I don't have to take so much time cleaning that off. That looks like a hot mess over there on that paper towel. All right, the next color that I'm going to swatch, here's my cup of water and a paintbrush. This one is called You're the Zest. One thing I love about Shimmerz paints are all the fun paint color names. And this is a Spritz. So this is, it really looks like a lemon color. So that's really pretty, and the name is perfect, fitting for that. The next color we have here is a Vibez, and it is called Pink Lemonade. So let me swatch this one. What I'm doing over here on the side is I'm dipping my paintbrush in water and then making sure that I tap off onto the paper towel to make sure I have all the color off before switching colors. And this really looks like pink lemonade. That's amazing. All right, the next color I have here is, oh my goodness, listen to the name of this one. This is Lawn and Order. And it's a shimmer, so it's super shiny. And look at that. It looks like a lawn and like grass, and be perfect for, I like this to paint a sheet of mixed media cardstock, like green like this, and then die cut leaves with my dies. That's always fun. So that would be perfect for die cutting leaves. Okay, add that to your must-have list, Lawn and Order. This next one is called Garnet, and it's an Inklingz. Ooh, this one's really pretty. It's got that hint of gold in it. So it's got like gold flakes in it, flakes. Oh, that might be my new favorite color. That's really pretty. Garnet Inklingz. That's really shiny and sparkly. I love that. This next one here is called Sage It Isn't So Creameez, and this one's in the bonus bundle. So you can add this onto your color kit so you can get the sequins along with this paint. All right, that's a look at all the paints. You'll have to leave me a comment down below and let me know which of these colors is your favorite. You can buy this, the kits, right out, or you can subscribe to make sure you get your kit because they do sell out pretty quickly every month. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. And if you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.